Hello. Destination birding. That is what I call the picturesque places that I visit to watch the feathered beauties.
My recent trip to Latpanchar is one of them. This is a town located in the mountains of North West Bengal. I also visited nearby areas of Rongtong and Shivkola. The birds here are vibrantly colored and many have their name on their color or color of part of their body, like Scarlet Finch, yellow-billed blue magpie, Rufous-necked Hornbill, and so on.
This is the male Scarlet Finch. Scarlet is a bright red color. Seen here, it is feasting on millets, taking its tummy full. This is Rufous-celia. Rufous is a color formed by combination of red and brown. Yellow-billed blue magpie. Snacking, is it? This is Rufous-bellied Neeltawa. Streaked spider hunter. Rufous-necked Hornbill.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.